What's that?
My bed.
It's your big girl bed? Do you want to get in it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see you get in it. Wow. Are you big?
Is it comfy? Do you like it?
Are you going to go to sleep now?
No.
No? Who's in the bed with you?
No, Betty.
Yeah, turn around. Who's behind you? Who's
The
that?
baby.
What's your baby's name? What's her name? You know her name. Look at her and see who she is. You don't remember? Is it Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. All right. Good night.
Bye.
You gonna go sleep?
I'm not gonna go sleep. Wait, no.
You're not?
No.
Why not?
'Cause.
But you look so comfy. Is it bedtime?
No.
Not yet? Are you sure? Why not?
'Cause.
Because why?
Because.
Do you love your new big bed?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you blow a kiss? And say thank you, Aunt Ruth.